Have you ever been told by somebody at some stage, you're unique, there's no one quite like you? Well, it can sound a little bit rah-rah and it can sound a little bit like someone's trying to make you feel good about yourself. But I must say, though, that through my work over the years, coaching people within strengths-based psychology, I have come to understand that the truth in those words. So if you take just your dominant drives, your top 9 drives, the chance of you meeting somebody with the same top 9 drives as you, the same dominant drives, is just over 1 in 10 million. Now, let's keep something in perspective here. That's just your top 9 drives. That's not taking into account the rest of your neutral drives, your drainers, which all add certain dynamics to how you behave, how you think, how you feel. And so if we had to take all of those dynamics and just add a couple more digits to the combinations, that number would absolutely explode. In fact, if you wanted to find somebody with the same top 9 drives in the same order, and this is not that order is really important, but just to give you an idea, the same top 9 drives in the same order, the chance of finding somebody with that would be about 1 in 3, just over 1 in 3.5 trillion. That's the chance. So when we start adding other factors into the mix, like your life experience, your values, your habits, your fears, your programming, all of this sort of stuff, there is nobody quite like you. And for me, that's very meaningful, because what that means is that if there's no one like you, then there's a responsibility that comes with it. There's only the song that you can sing, only you can sing. The impact you can make through your drives, only you can make. Nobody else can do it. And so living a life of purpose, and you can look at purpose from a number of different perspectives, probably the simplest version of that being fit for purpose. You know, if you suddenly realize you've got a paintbrush in your hand, maybe you weren't meant to be a bricklayer. And similarly, by understanding your drives and understanding the purpose behind those, you can start to live more in alignment with that sense of purpose and ultimately bring and make your biggest impact.